Welcome to today's tutorial on how to hide your phone number in your Facebook profile using your PC. Follow these simple steps to protect your privacy. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open your profile page. Step 3. Click on the About section, which can be found below your profile photo. This will take you to the page where you can edit your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Contact and Basic Info tab, find the icon next to the 3 dots icon next to your phone number. Click on it to access the privacy settings for your phone number. Step 5. Select the option Only Me to ensure that your phone number is visible only to you and not displayed publicly on your profile. Step 6. Finally, click on Done to save the changes you made to the privacy settings of your phone number. By following these steps, you can protect your phone number from being visible to others on your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching this tutorial.